Welcome to Create with Fran. Today I'm going to do a little watercolor painting. Watercolor is new to me. I enjoy painting sometimes. It's just relaxing. And so I have done a watercolor flowers before without any instruction. I did watch a couple videos and then I jumped in and decided I would do this. So I did a little test sort of on paper here of what colors I might go with and how I might do it. And then I'm just gonna jump in and try that. Okay, I have just put some of that masking tape around the edges. Couple more. I think I'm actually going to make that gray one a little white. Now I'm going to draw my cat in. I probably should have traced that because my freehand was not the best. But anyway, it's just, I'm a watch a couple videos, jump right in and try. And now we'll watch a few more videos and then do another one. The important part is, having fun, making a mess actually there, but having fun. I want some browns. Got our little pot over there. I'm going to do that. Like an orangey yellow. Let that dry. Just going to use this black calligraphy pen because I know it doesn't smear or bleed when I do things with it. So I do have to get a paint or a watercolor marker. So now, just going to here we go. Let's remove our tape. Fix that up a little there, hopefully. A little skip is okay. Not too bad for my first little watercolor, I don't think. What do you think? Thanks for creating with me.